Yeah. I think
Hi, police? Yeah, I need Detective Baguette. Someone stole my chicken fillet.
Found anything?
Not yet.
I think we need to step up our game. We need to interrogate.
I agree.
I think our culprit lacks Chick-fil-A.
Maybe.
Where were you on the night of Mr. Guy's Chick-fil-A stolen?
It was at H-E-B.
Are you sure?
Yeah! I got 2 Kinder Eggs.
Are you sure you
I
weren't
was
there?
just buying 2 Kinder Eggs.
Are you positive?
Yeah?
Let me see those fingers.
They seem pretty oily to me.
Maybe it was 4.
Almost
It was
too
just-
oily.
Maybe it was 3 eggs. It was just a Kinder Eggs.
Do you have the receipts?
I swear it was 3 Kinder Eggs. Maybe 4. No, it was not me.
Where were you at the night of the robbery?
I don't know, at home eating dinner?
Eating what?
Chicken?
From where?
Popeyes.
Where's the receipt? Where's the receipt?
You would want me to use the receipt, huh? Look, I don't have it on me.
Kind of suspicious. Don't you think?
Yes. What's this about anyway?
Someone stole Mr. Guy's Chick-fil-A. Where were you at the night of the robbery?
I was working on my film.
What film?
The
This
Film Fest film. Film Fest is in 3 days.
So you were up at the school.
Yeah. I was there when Gotti was there. Only thing I did was I went to the bathroom, I came back.
So you saw who stole it. Who else was there at the night of filming?
The only other person I saw there was Detective Pan.
Obviously.
I don't know what you guys are talking about. All I know was it was there and then it was gone the next one, whenever I came back.
Who were you? Where were you?
I was here taking a nap.
Then why did Spencer say otherwise?
I was sleepwalking.
How do we know that you're not lying?
I would never.
If you're such a detective, then list all the evidence.
There was a straw wrapper, sticky note, crumpled up, watermarks, and a chicken nugget.
Wait, there was no chicken nuggets?
Fine, I ate it. I was hungry, okay?
You know what that means. You just admitted the crime. Police, get her out.
I gotta say, Detective Baguette, this is good work. She stole my chicken. She stole my Dr. Pepper. Freaked up. It's good to see her serving hard time.
I need an assistant.
Well, maybe so. Maybe so.